Video 1. Introduction to the course Negotiations in Diplomatic Practice. Course Negotiations in Diplomatic Practice is held annually at the Faculty of International Relations of the University of Economics in Bratislava since 2008. The aim of the course is to create academic simulation of international negotiations in order to provide students with an opportunity to gain practical experience in the field of multilateral diplomatic negotiations, diplomatic protocol, and application of foreign languages. So, how does it work? The main role of the student attending the course is to play the role of delegates from different countries and attempt to solve real-world issues using the policies and perspectives of their assigned country. In other words, it is a role-playing simulation which focuses on collaboration and consensus building through discussion and debate. On a weekly basis, students negotiate in distinct sections, talk and debate over the difficult issues facing the world today. They defend the interests and statements of the state they represent under the leadership of chairmen, while all negotiations observe so-called rules of procedure and contain elements of proper voting and discussion. The ultimate objective is to reach an agreement between participating states and to sign the final resolution, representing common vision of solving the particular international problem. Now, let's have a look on how to prepare for the course. As the quality of the course and its outcomes are largely dependent on the comprehensive preparation of attending students, the delegates have to become familiar with a number of complex areas. That is why we have prepared you for this video guide package consisting of 7 educational videos and serving as an essential reference for any delegate attending simulated negotiations. The preparation must begin with an understanding of the functioning of international organization in which diplomatic negotiations regularly take place. The United Nations will serve as the benchmark for our simulated negotiations, as it is the intergovernmental organization gathering almost all countries of the world and dealing with the most important world problems. Therefore, the first video is dedicated to the research of its history, structure, and operations. Once the delegate is assigned a country, the majority of the preparation time for the simulation will be spent researching the actual negotiation topics and the country's position on those topics. Thus, second video will show us how to develop a basic understanding of actual topic on the agenda, as well as the history, socioeconomic and political situation, and other factors shaping a state's foreign policy. Familiarity with these areas will assist you in forming a consistent position paper. The aim of the position paper is to reflect the perspectives of assigned countries on the topic at hand, and the third video will show you how to handle their preparation. Negotiations are primarily an exercise in communication, and public speaking is one of the most important skills you will use as a delegate. Therefore, fourth video will aim to teach students how to convey their member states' positions, how to build consensus, and formulate resolutions in front of the public. In order to ensure efficient communication between delegations, it is extremely important that every participant of the negotiations has developed a deep knowledge of the rules of procedure. Fifth video will explain the rules in a simple way and show you when and how they should be utilized. The culmination of your work for the entire course results in resolutions, written suggestions for addressing a specific problem or issue. The last video will show you how a resolution looks like and explain how to write one. Last but not least, please note that these videos should only be viewed as a starting point to begin research, and individual research is crucial to become a successful delegate of model negotiations.